Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Adaptation. So guys, today I'm going to introduce you a very good and project. This project name is that is Peaq. Okay. And they have also launched pool. They just launched their launch pool in Bitget. You know that the Bitget is the largest and the biggest there is exchanger in that the marketplace. Okay. So you know that Bitget is the biggest exchanger in market, and they have also just a PQ token. They just launched their token in Bitget, and they also started the launch pool in Bitget. This is the very good news in for us. Okay. So what you need to do, if I show you that the project, the launch pool, just you need to click this arm section, and then you can see the launch pool. You can click this launch pool. After click the launch pool, guys, then you can see this is the ongoing launch pool. And total, yeah, this is the PPU launch pool. You need to click this here. After you click this here, guys, then it will redirect you a page, guys. You can see the white paper, website, and rules and announcements. So, guys, just if I show you that white paper of this website, just you can click this website, the white paper, and it will redirect to this page. And this is the what is the PQ. Okay, so this is the what is the PQ. The PQ is the layer 1 blockchain proposally built and optimized for DePINs. And this is the physical instruction network and the making and role. So guys, then you can see this is the quick setup, and you can click the quick setup, and this is the network of the again and this net. Okay. So you can see the main net and net, everything it is also displayed. And if I show you the official website, this is the official website of this company, guys. And the company website is, you can see that already, and this is the official key number of the 1 million plus total balance device on DPs on PQ, and this is the machines behind the robot and device. Okay. So that they have super decentralized and super there is a scalable, super clean, modular DePIN functions and latest of the USDC in the there is a PQ. Okay, so yeah, they have also the very high quality website. Okay, so if I show you the details of this on that, and if I show you that some more details, then you can see that that is a have PQ network and auto benefit or Bitget Launchpool. And how you can participate on this launch pool, you can see log BGB and USD to share that PQ. Okay, so this is the official there is an announcement of the Bitget. You can see, you can verify that the Bitget official announcement. You just what you need to do. That token name is decentralized supply of this launch pool allocation of this amount, and about this project, which is leading in the global instruction and regulation, empowering people to own the earn from the physical instruction they use the search and mobility. Okay, so this is the locking pool on total PQ complete pool this, and this is the locking period. Maximum BGB locking limit for BIB1 to BIB7 is 50,000 BGB token. Okay, and maximum BGB locking for limit for BIP0 is 20,000 BGB, and the minimum BGB locking limit is 5 BGB. And BGB, you know that the BGB is the own token of Bitget, guys, and this is the locking pool of the two. And this is the total PQ campaign pool. These are eligible for new user only. New user who signed after November 11 are eligible for this participation. So remember that who just signed up recently on Bitget, guys, in after November 11, they will participate this campaign. Okay, and others account not being eligible for this. And this is the Node Sky token atom from Launchpool, or there is a Loops pool will be distributed hourly to participate based on their lock app volume. Okay. So the token from Launchpool locking pools will be distributed based on their lock volume, like that. If you launch this amount like that, there is a this amount. This means that if you lock 20,000 BGB, like 10,000 BGB, that amount will be calculated and they will be distributed in your account. And Bitget will take hourly snapshot of each participant lock volume and distribute airdrop accordingly. And that there is a airdrop will be distributed hourly when an user logged at hour. Okay, who the log volume is calculated at hour. Okay, this means there is a calculated distributed will be calculated in hour. Okay, hour means if you log the token for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, how much hour you log that, they will calculate in this way. Okay. So this is a very good opportunity, and the Bitget reserve the right demand and revive cancel promotion at any time without prior notice. At the sole decision, Bitget reserve the right fire of the transformation. I need to do that. And the appear will be each locking pool calculated separately. User can unlock their lock tokens from the locking pool at any time. So that you get unlock anytime in your BGB account, like that if you vote the law, the BGB they unlock, and you can, if you think that I didn't want to that unlock this BGB, I need this BGB at this time, so you can unlock at any time on this account. Okay, so don't worry about it. Now the main point is how you can just trade. You can see that there is a trade in the live in the section that PQ. Okay, so the PQ live section you can trade this. The price is running. The buy sell ongoing and the price is 0.31 cent, and the people already there's a buy and sell the PQ token. This is the official Bitget, I can see by yourself. And if I show you how much price there is a PGP now, so if I click the PGP section, the PGP price, I need to check that the PGP price, the current period is $1 44 cent. Okay, so like that, if you hold that 5 BGB is the minimum amount of the holding amount. So guys, if I put the amount of the 5, okay, so guys, I need to put the amount of the 5. So the 5 BGB token cost is the $7.20. Okay. So everyone will have $7.20, they can participate in this anytime. Okay, they have participated this launch pool anytime. So they just give that the minimum BGB locking limit is 5 BGB. So who have that $7.2, they can participate this launch pool. I have said again, who have 5 BGB or 7.20 cent in their account, they will participate this launch pool. So this is the minimum cost, you can see by yourself. And if you have that, if you have the 50 BGB token, you will get more PQ and the launch pool. Okay, so like that, if you have get that the PQ token, you will get 5 PQ token, you will get $1. If they distribute it in your account that there is 100 PQ token, you will get $31. Okay, this way you can use you. And guys, this is the full details of this company. If you have any kind of problem further, you can directly ask in my comment. I will try to solve your question as soon as possible. So guys, until today, we will see the next other earning videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get this type of latest video.